Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, my pupils of mathematics. Um, Welcome to uh, this series, this particular episode of the Basic Mathematics series. We've discussed a lot in the previous videos. So in this video, we are supposed to start from fractions, but I want us to deal with a preliminary topic that you're supposed to know very well. Yes, before we go into fractions. So I would like us to quickly look at factors, multiples, LCM and HCF very quickly. So factors, multiples, LCM and HCF. Let's quickly look at this. So we use questions to study the topic. Okay. So number one, let's look at this. Find the factors and prime factors of 12. Let's do this. Okay. Now, a factor of a number is a number that can divide that number without a remainder. But a prime factor, let me remind you this. A prime number normally is a number that no number can divide except itself and 1. For example, 2. No number can divide 2 except itself and 1. 3, 5, 7, and so on and so forth. Okay. Then remember also 1 is not a prime number. The reason is that 1 has only one factor. That's why it's not a prime number. Okay. Every prime number has 2 factors, itself and 1. The 1 has only one prime factor. That's what 1 has only one factor. That's why it's not a prime number. Take note. So let's quickly solve this. Factors of 12 are, that's numbers that can divide 12. Let's go. 1 is always the first one. Now we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4. Can 2 go in 12? Yes. 2 in 12 is 6. Let's go to 3. Can 3 go in 12? Yes. That's 3 in 12 is 4. So it's a factor. 4. Can 4 go in 12? Yes. It's a factor. 5. Can 5 go in 12? No. Can't go in 12. So it's not a factor. Then 6. Can 6 go in 12? Yes. 6 in 12 is 2. So 6 is a factor. 7 can go in 12, 8 cannot go in 12, and so on and so forth. So then, when you have brought out all the factors, you now write down the number itself as a factor. So, and 12. So these are the factors of what? 12. Factors bring out all the numbers that can divide the number. Okay. Now, the prime factors of 12 are now among all those prime factors we have brought out. The ones that are prime numbers among them are the prime factors of 12. 1 is not a prime number. 2 is a prime number, so copy it out. 3 is a prime number, copy it out. 4 is not a prime number because something can divide it. 6 is not a prime number, something can divide it. And 12 is not a prime number. So the only 2 prime factors are 2 and what? 3. Okay? So the number you are given, and we want to find the factors of number, you can do it like this. Is it clear? Yeah. So now we want to look at the next one. Excuse me. The next one is, let's look at this. List the first 4 multiples of 10. we are supposed to list the first 4 multiples of 10. A multiple of a number, listen to me, a multiple of a number is a number which that number can divide. For example, a multiple of 4 is 8 because 4 can divide what? 8. Is it clear? Alright? So let's look at the multiples of 4. If you want to get multiples of 10, if you want to get multiples of 10, start multiplying, do 10 times table. Multiples of 10 are 10 times 1, 10, 10 times 2, 20, 10 times 3, 30, and 10 times 4 is what? 40. So that's how you get multiples. Anyone you ask, you just multiply by 1, multiply by 2, multiply by 3, and so on and so forth. Okay? So they are just quick reminders. Then the number 3, some of you have done this LCM and some haven't done it. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you something. So just pay attention very well. Let us assume we are asked to do this question. Find the LCM and HCF of 20 and 30. I want to do them together because this is a revision series in this basic math. So how to do this LCM and HCF? They have the same. In my methods, they are the same. So now I will show you how to pick them up. Okay, so they have the same procedure. So let's work them out. So we have. Follow me so that you see how I will differentiate between LCM and HCF. We have 20 here and we have 30 here. Are you following me now? So what can go? You begin to look for numbers that can go. Start with 2. When 2 can no longer go to 3. When 3 can no longer go to 5. In doing LCM or HCF, the numbers we use to divide them are you use 2, you use 3, you use 5, you use 7. You don't use even numbers. I said you don't use other numbers other than prime numbers. It's only prime numbers that we use to do LCM. Anytime you want to do LCM, use only prime numbers to divide them. So 2, 3, 5, 7. Let's go now. If 2 cannot go again, we use 3. If 3 cannot go, we use 5. Now let's solve. So let me start with 2. 2 in 20 will give us 10. 2 in 30 will give us 15. Okay? Then let's go again. Let's see whether 2 can still go. 2 in 10 will give us 5. 2 in 15 cannot work. Once you have a remainder, bring it down. Means it cannot go. Now 2 can no longer divide 5 and can no longer divide 15. But now we will go to the next prime number, which is 3. 3 in 5 is not possible. So I bring it down. 3 in 15 is what? 3 in 15 is 5, right? Okay. Now, if you want to use 3 again, 3 can no longer go. So I go to the next prime factor, which is the next prime number, sorry, which is 5. So 5 in 5 is 1, 5 in 5 is 1. Once you have 1, 1 as your answer, it means you have finished. Now, if it is LCM that we want to get, now pay attention. If it is LCM we want to get, you multiply all these numbers here. So let's get the LCM. So LCM is 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. Are you following now? Which is 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 3, 12 times 5 is 60. Then if you want to get HCF, listen carefully now. You come to this place here. You check these two now. If it is able to divide these two numbers, you mark it good. If you're not able to divide two numbers, you mark it bad. Now, 2 divided 20 to get 10. 2 divided 30 to get 15. So it was able to divide 2 of them. So mark it good. Are you following me? Now, 2 in 10 is 5. 2 in 15 didn't work. So I mark it bad. So if you cannot divide 2 of them, mark it bad. Here I use 3. 3 in 5 did not work. 3 in 15 worked. So it didn't divide 2 of them. So I mark it bad. Okay? Then here I now use 5. So 5 in 5 is 1, 5 in 5 is 1. It worked. So I mark it good. The ones that can divide all of them, mark them good. The HCF will now be multiply the ones that are marked good. Multiply the ones that are marked good. So that is 2 and 5. And that gives us 10. Very simple. So if you are doing LCM, you're also doing ACF. When you finish, you pick up the ones. If it's here LCM, multiply everybody. If it is ACF, multiply only the ones that are marked good that can divide. Is it clear? So this is just to bring this to your notice about how to do find multiples, factors, common factors, ACF and LCM. We'll still come across them as we are moving in this series. Okay, so this is the end of this video. If you have not subscribed to our channel, click on that subscription button there, that subscribe button there, and then click on that notification bell so that when we post the next video, it will quickly notify you. Okay, so thank you very much for coming around. I'll see you in the next video.